Hello everyone, this is Alex from Henan Machineries. Our company is specializing supplying the concrete machines, and today I want to introduce you our mobile batching plant. Those mobile batching plant is we made for those customers that have the needs to move the concrete batching plant oftenly or have the project that need to producing the concrete by themselves. And as you can see, our mobile batching plant is use the drum type concrete mixers, and behind the mixers is the hoppers of the cement, and we also will have the water wings and additive wings added on these steel frames when we get to the job site. And these are the batching machines. As you can see, it's 3 bins. Each bins will store the big stones, the small stones, and the sand. And we can also make the batching machines into 2 bins or 4 bins if you have the special need. And the yellow hopper and the conveyor belt is the wings of the aggregate. It's supported by the 3 tension scissors, and after the wings is over, the aggregate will transport it to the concrete mixers by the conveyor belt. Those wing systems of our mobile batching plant is the same with the stationary type concrete batching plant, and also can have the same accuracies. So our mobile batching plant can also make the high quality concrete. And the red steel I-beams is the chassis of the whole mobile concrete batching plant. When we get to the job site, we will add 3 support legs on each side of the mobile concrete batching plant. And because our mobile batching plant is relatively low and have those support legs with chassis, so our mobile batching plant doesn't need a concrete foundations on the job site. Just a hard flat ground will be okay. And those are the tires. When you need to move it to another job site, you just need to disassemble the support legs and use the trailers to drag the machines to another job site. The biggest advantage of those mobile batching plants is, for one, it doesn't need the concrete foundations, and 2, it's very easy to install and take small areas. And because it doesn't need to make the concrete foundations, you can save a lot of time to make the concrete foundations. And after those years of development of those mobile batching plants, it's become more and more popular in the market. We have sold those mobile batching plants to many countries like the Philippines, Sri Lanka, France, and Canada, and other countries. And welcome to contact us if you are interested. And thank you for looking these videos, and wish you have a good day.